Hello, kids! This is Teacher James Lee. Today, we will arrange objects according to size and length and describe their relationship as big, bigger, biggest, or long, longer, longest. Look at the pictures. Which one is big, bigger, or biggest? Yes, the rabbit is big. The cat is bigger. And the dog is the biggest. This time, we will put number 1 for the big, 2 for the bigger, and 3 for the biggest. Which one is big, bigger, or biggest? Which one is big, bigger, or biggest? Next, for the length. Which one is long, longer, or longest? Yes, the crayon is long. The pencil is longer. And the roller is the longest. This time, we will put number 1 for the long, 2 for the longer, and 3 for the longest. Which one is long, longer, or longest? Which one is long, longer, longest? Good job, kids! Do you want to learn more? See you on my next video. Bye-bye!